Welcome back to Shipping Revisit. In our last video, we explored the basics of last-mile delivery. Today, we're taking it a step further by exploring the major challenges and cutting-edge innovations transforming the future of last-mile delivery. The challenges. First, let's delve into the significant challenges that the last-mile delivery sector is grappling with. 1. High costs. Did you know that last-mile delivery can make up to 50% of logistics costs? This significant expense affects not only the companies but also the end consumers, making it a pressing issue that demands cost-effective solutions. It's expensive because each delivery is individual, with variable fuel costs and logistical complexities. 2. Urban congestion. Imagine trying to deliver a package in a bustling city. Traffic, narrow streets, and limited parking all slow things down, making timely deliveries a real headache. 3. Rising customer expectations. We've all gotten used to super-fast shipping, but meeting those expectations takes work. The demand for same-day or next-day delivery puts a lot of pressure on logistics companies. 4. Failed deliveries. Have you ever missed a delivery because you weren't home? Each failed attempt costs the company more money and can frustrate customers. 5. Environmental impact. All those delivery trucks on the road contribute to air pollution and carbon emissions, especially in urban areas. 6. Scalability issues. Handling a massive influx of orders during peak times, like the holiday season, can be overwhelming and lead to delays. The innovations. However, where there are challenges, there are also incredible innovations that are reshaping the industry. Let's explore how these innovations are revolutionizing last-mile delivery. 1. Smart technology, AI and machine learning. These technologies play a crucial role in meeting rising customer expectations by optimizing delivery routes and predicting the best times to drop off packages, thereby reassuring the audience about the future of fast deliveries. They cut costs and boost efficiency. Real-time tracking. You can track your package every step of the way, so you won't have to guess when it will arrive. 2. Drones and autonomous vehicles. Imagine your package being delivered by a drone or an autonomous vehicle. These technologies are already being tested, particularly in rural and urban areas, to speed up delivery times and reduce costs. Autonomous vehicles, like self-driving delivery vans, navigate streets on their own, while drones can fly directly to your location, making deliveries faster and more efficient than ever before. 3. Crowdsourced delivery. Companies like Uber and Amazon use crowdsourced delivery, where independent contractors deliver packages. This flexible model can make deliveries faster and more efficient. 4. Micro-hubs and local warehousing. By setting up smaller distribution centers closer to where you live, companies can cut down on the distance packages need to travel, making deliveries faster and cheaper. 5. Parcel lockers and pickup points. To avoid missed deliveries, companies are introducing parcel lockers and pickup points where customers can collect their packages whenever it's convenient for them. 6. Green delivery options. With the environment in mind, companies are turning to electric vehicles, bike couriers, and other eco-friendly methods to reduce their carbon footprint. 7. Smart routing software. Advanced routing software takes into account traffic, weather, and even your availability to create the most efficient delivery routes. 8. Same-day and on-demand delivery. Do you need something right now? Thanks to networks of local couriers and cutting-edge logistics software, same-day and on-demand delivery options are becoming more common. Well, as we've seen, last-mile delivery is a complex challenge. However, with these innovations, companies are making significant strides towards delivering your packages faster, cheaper, and more sustainably. What do you think is the most exciting innovation in last-mile delivery? Your thoughts and ideas are crucial in shaping the future of this industry. Please share them with us in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of logistics and supply chains.